Journal Selector tutorial. Open the Journal Selector function by clicking on either the top menu or the pop-up box. You will have to answer 2 questions to get journal suggestions for your paper. If the answer you need is in the text editing area of WriteWise, don't worry. Just click out of the pop-up box, copy the text, and paste it into the chat box to continue. You will have to provide your paper title and abstract. Once you have provided your paper title and abstract, WriteWise will give journal suggestions and reasonings for those recommendations here in the chat area. If you want to get more information on the recommended journals, follow the instructions given at the end of the chat reply. Namely, copy the prompt given at the end of the response, then open GeminiGoogle.com. Paste the prompt into the chat area. Finally, make sure you insert the name of the journal you want information on. Gemini will provide you with as much information as possible about the journal metrics, such as impact factor, quartile, time to first response, and open access status, among others.